QR codes are popping up everywhere. They are used for everything from app downloads to sharing contact information. Have you struggled with QR codes? Yes? Well, stay tuned. I made this video just for you. Scanning QR codes with your mobile phone is easier than you think. Really? Make sure you have your phone handy. We're going to get ready to scan some QR codes. In case you didn't know, QR codes are great for accessing information quickly and are a great tool for marketing your business. Are you ready to scan QR codes? Well, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Google Play App Store and search for Barcode Scanner. Next, download the Barcode Scanner app to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Finally, once the mobile app is downloaded, tap on the Barcode Scanner app icon and place the camera's phone over the following QR code. See? I told you it was easy. You can learn more about QR codes in the QR Codes for Beginners interactive guidebook, available at CTAMarketing.biz.